Damn, looking hurt. Shit.
It's blowing up and it's free right now. Why is
Alright, alright.
What does that mean, high stats?
Oh my god. Okay, alright. Okay. That's my job, bro. Huh? Yeah, bro, you getting hair all over me. What's going on YouTube? Meet the Barber, back with another video. In this tutorial, we're going to be doing a nice simple burst fade. And to kick things off, we're going to start by lining up the corners of my client's hairline using my wall heroes. As I line my client up, I'm not trying to press too hard on his skin. I'm just trying to give it a nice little touch. So now you've seen me switch over from my wall heroes to now my Slimline Pros. This blade on my Slimline Pros is a little bit more closer than my wall heroes, so I'm just going back over with those. Now I'm just lining up the nape or neck area of my client. Again, we're doing a burst fade, so it's going to be round in the back. Okay, and here I'm just giving my client a nice little simple design. As you can see, we did a design previously on his last haircut, so I'm just hitting that design again. Just something nice and simple to complement the burst fade. Now we're actually going to start to begin the fade process for this tutorial, and starting by creating a bald guideline using my wall heroes. Once I have created this guideline, I'm going to go back with my Andis shaver and get it completely bald. Take my Andis T outliner to create another guideline, and then from there I'm going to be grabbing my Ostra Fast Feeds with my lever open and creating my next guideline. My steps for the burst fade are the same for my tapers or my fades. I'll go lever open and then mid and then closed. As you can see with my guidelines, I didn't take my guidelines too far in the back of his head. You don't want to go too far back there, or else the burst fade is going to look a bit off. So I just like to keep it, you know, right past his ear. Take my guidelines about right there. My famous thinning shears finish off my fade on this side. Always use my thinning shears on every single haircut. If you see my previous videos as well, my thinning shears are always incorporated. Okay, so now we're just going to be lining up the rest of his neck area, and then I'm going to be fading the other side of his hair using the same steps as shown. At this time, I would like to thank everyone who's been watching my videos. I know I need to be more consistent with my uploads. I've been lagging on that, but I'm going to be trying to upload about every 2 weeks from now on to give you guys more videos. Please comment down below what videos you guys like to see next. Alright guys, so now just some finishing touches. I'm gonna line up his beard and his eyebrows as well. And now all I have to do next is just style his hair. The product I'm using is Red One Hair Wax. It's a very good product, I do recommend it. Alright guys, that was the haircut. Very simple yet stylish. I really enjoy doing this haircut on my client. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back for more videos for you guys. Thank you.